This video will take you through the steps to register a replacement checklist or re-register a building. Only follow these instructions if you have received approval from the QBCC to replace a checklist, or you have received instructions about how to re-register a building. From the Consolidated View tab, you're going to find the building you have been instructed to commence the replacement or re-register checklist for. Once you've found the correct building, click the Action drop-down button next to that building and select Add New Building. You are going to call this building the same building name as previously given, but add -replacement or -re-register to the end of the building name. Please refer to the instructions provided to you by QBCC for which option is suitable for your circumstance. This will assist in distinguishing between the original and replacement checklists. You are then asked if you are the owner or agent for this building. Select Yes if you are the building owner, or select No if you are acting as agent for the building owner. If you select No, you will be asked to upload the Form 43 Proof of Agency again. Please note, you can upload the same Form 43 that was completed for the original checklist if the details contained within that Form 43 are still current. Click the Upload Files button to choose the correct document from your directory. Click Done when the document is uploaded and then click Save. Your consolidated view list will now show the replacement building in line with the original building. To action this building, click the Action drop-down list and click Continue Checklist and refer to the instructions provided by QBCC on how to complete this checklist. Thank you.